Hello, welcome to another video. We're back with the Renault Zoe, getting her ready for the winter. One of the most important things in terms of winter preparation, what you can do, is when it starts freezing, to make sure that you fatten this, so that when it's really cold outside, you can still open your door, and not that when it's frozen, that you tear this apart. It might just tear off. It's completely frosted. Very expensive. You've probably all seen these type of products, Gummi Pflege, where you put, let's say, the fat on here to prevent your door from freezing. But I'll show you a trick how you can put this on and that it will last longer, and also that your rubber will last longer. If you're new to this type of content and you like it, please subscribe. Let's go. Let's go. So in order for this product from Sonax that I'm very happy with to attach here well, and also to keep this nice and smooth, we first need to remove the dirt. You might think, oh, it's complicated because here we're close to the inside of the car. And how will you do that? It's very simple. You just take a wet wipe. Make sure it is not chemical and that it's not full of bleach, but that is neutral. You buy them in Lidl and in Aldi or wherever. And then just gently wipe off this whole area and first remove the dirt. Just to show you how much dirt is on here, I now take the wipe. So step 1, clean the rubber before you apply the fat. So, also here. And you only really need to clean this outside area where you'll apply the fat. This one's actually still pretty clean because I did it last year, but as you can see, white, and this is gray. And basically what you want to remove is all the dust, all the dirt. Now you've completed step 1. Let it dry for a few minutes. You can continue with the other parts of the car, and then once it's dry, apply the Sonax Gummi Pflege. Make sure you clean everywhere, and especially also down here, this outside part where your door makes contact, where humidity gets in. That's where it freezes and that's where your door gets stuck. So clean well everywhere along the edges, and then let it dry for a moment. Once you've completed the doors, make sure that you don't forget also your luggage compartment, because here also these strips are everywhere and they can get moist. Clean them well. Also here, while you're at it, you can go a little bit between the cracks and remove some of the dirt there. And then you will also be able to open your luggage compartment. Very nice if you don't have an electric car and you can't do preheating like this. And with Sonax Gummi Pflege you can always open it. And while you're going around the car cleaning, also open the engine compartment. And don't forget to remove these leaves that gather up here, because else you cannot get a good drainage. The water will be everywhere. And you don't want this to get too dirty, so make sure you remove all that crap for even more safe driving in the winter. You can also use all your leftover wipes, and then go here exactly where the window wipers are. Look at all that dirt, and just remove all that dirt from there so that your wiper blades can move unobstructed. Sehr schön. So once you've dried them off, and you can even use, let's say, a microfiber towel to speed up the process, you take the Sonax Gummi Pflege, you shake it well, and then you gently tap and squeeze. You can make these spots, as you see, and then you start massaging it in. So like a real German preparing his car for the winter. Sehr schön. But these Germans, they know exactly how serious this frost can be. And also here in the Netherlands, the winter is getting cold. I don't know where you live, but have you ever had this where you haven't done this and you weren't able to open the door? How did you eventually open it? Did you just tear it open? And did you then damage these rubbers? write me in the comments, and yeah, I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. And you just continue, yeah, until you have this nice, yeah, it starts glowing a bit. It looks a bit like tire shine, as you can see. And you do the whole car. And then you let it dry for a bit, maybe 5 minutes. And then you have successfully prepared your Renault Zoe or any other car for the winter with Sonax Gummi Pflege and my cleaning tips. I hope you have a fantastic winter with a lot of safe driving and beautiful destinations you'll visit. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Ciao.